2 weeks ago, I found a strange type of video that completely took over my feed. Grainy, black and white security camera clips showing animals doing things that should not be possible. And the crazy part? These videos are pulling millions of views, every single one of them. So today, I'm going to show you how to make one yourself, step by step, using a completely free AI tool that I'm calling the Ferrari of AI video generators. By the end of this video, you'll have your very first viral CCTV-style animal clip ready to post. So hit that like button, subscribe if you're serious about growing, and let's jump in. The tool we're using today is called Google VO3, or just V3 for short. This thing is ridiculously powerful. It generates videos that look like they were ripped straight from a security camera in an alternate dimension. You'll need to activate your free 1-year Gemini trial first. If you haven't done that yet, don't worry. I'll drop the exact link and steps in the description so you can get access today. All right, here's how to create your first creepy viral animal clip. Step 1, go to the Gemini website and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, click the button that says Create with VO3. Step 2, you'll see a big text box. This is where the magic happens. You need a weird, impossible scene idea, so let's get one fast. I like to use ChatGPT for this. I just ask it to give me 5 surreal security camera scenes with animals. For this tutorial, I'm going with this one. Creepy, right? Step 3, paste that exact text into VO3's text box, hit enter, and wait a couple of minutes. Now, this is the fun part. When your video finishes rendering, it looks like actual found footage. The grain, the camera angle, the eerie lighting, it's all there. And just like that, you've got your first viral-worthy clip. Look at this. It looks so real that if I posted this on Instagram right now, half the comments would be asking if it's real CCTV footage. This is why these videos are blowing up. They stop people mid-scroll. They're short, creepy, and they leave you wondering what you just watched. Try a few more ideas. A dog sitting in an empty subway car, a giant flamingo crossing a street at night, a hamster climbing on a vending machine. The weirder, the better. And that's it. You just made your first creepy, viral-ready security camera video. Post it on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, wherever you want eyeballs. This is the perfect time to jump in before everyone else catches on. So start creating now, and I'll see you in the next video.